Hey guys, it's Mrs. Garcia. If you're watching this video before you complete your assignment, thank you for following my directions. I just wanted to go over the assignments with you guys just so that you have an idea of what you're doing this week. And then if you still have questions from after watching this video or after trying to complete the assignments, just send us an email or leave a comment or have your parents contact us and we can help you guys. All right, so it's week 6, and we're going to be talking about watersheds and groundwater. But before we get started, just a couple reminders. Before you panic, ask for help from your teachers. Join a Zoom tutoring for extra help if you need it. I know that every content area has a specific day, so maybe reach out to your teachers to see what their day and time is. That way you can join in on that tutoring to get extra help. And then also make sure that you're reading the feedback and the comments that the teachers are providing on your assignments when you turn them in. We are not doing this to make you feel like, you're doing it wrong, but it's just to enhance your work so that you're submitting your best effort. So make sure you read those comments and then make those changes and then resubmit if needed.
Here are your objectives for the week.
So as you can see, the audio decided to play automatically. So when you play these slides on your own time, each slide has a little blue button that looks just like this. Some of them are automatic, so they'll play as soon as you present the slide, and some of them are not. So you'll just click on it and press play, and it will play the audio directions and instructions, as well as questions and answer choices on the slides. But this week, we're going to be watching an ed puzzle and answering questions. You're also going to watch another video called Who Polluted the Guadalupe River and answer questions, and then you're going to write a summary about who polluted the Guadalupe River. The first task is the ed puzzle. The biggest tip I can give you guys is that when you click on the ed puzzle and you actually complete it, as the video goes on, it'll pause and ask you questions. You need to answer those questions within the video. So you don't come back here to answer questions. They're already in the video, if that makes sense. So as you're watching the video, it'll play maybe 30 seconds of the video, it'll stop, and it'll ask you a question. You'll answer the question, press submit, and then the video will continue. I think there's 5 or 6 questions in the video. The next few tasks are just questions based on this video, Who Polluted the Guadalupe River. So you'll click this, you'll watch the video, and then the next few slides will be based on that. So you have a question here, and also on all the slides there's sentence stems. So like here, I think the Guadalupe River was polluted by blank. You'll complete those sentence stems. So same thing on this slide. There are some that you'll have to choose one and then finish it. But for the most part, all of them have sentence stems for you to use. Same here. This one does not, because on here you're just making a list of 2 things that you can do to keep the river clean. But here also sentence stem, choose one. And then on the last slide is a summary. And it's a 3-sentence summary. And then right here we have what you need to include in each sentence, as well as a sentence starter to get started on those sentences. So from this point on, if you have any questions, reach out to Mr. Finley or I. You can also rewatch this video as many times as you want for clarification. Don't forget about the little blue buttons that you can press for audio instructions and to have your questions and answer choices read aloud. Happy learning, guys.